Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new video in the series of every iPhone tips. There will be a lot more tips in this series, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also, you can click over here to see the playlist for my earlier videos on iPhone tips, mainly like how to download free music or free ringtones on your iPhones, how to remove water from your iPhone by just an application, and there are many more tips in this series. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Every iPhone comes with a magnifier, and in some situations it can be very handy. To enable magnifier, just go to the settings, go to general, accessibilities, and this is the option. Just click on magnifier, enable it, and also you can enable auto brightness. To enable the magnifier in the newer version of iPhones like iPhone 10, XS, XS Max, just triple click on the power button and the magnifier is enabled. If you are using the older version, just triple press on the home button and the magnifier will be activated. To use the magnifier, you can just swipe up to zoom in and swipe down to zoom out. You can also use the yellow button to zoom in and zoom out. Not only that, you can also enable the flash. Suppose the light is dim, you can enable the flash right from here and use your magnifier. Also, if the object is not very clear, you can choose the multiple options: grayscale, yellow, black, red. Depend on which paper or which object you are zooming into. Also, you can invert the color over here. One good thing is that you can magnify and save the information by just clicking on the camera button. And again, you can magnify this information, zoom in or zoom out. To save the information, you can just press and hold. You get these two options. Either you can share the image right from here, you can send it by WhatsApp, messages or email. And the second option, you can save the image in your photo gallery so that you can use this information anytime in the future. To go back to magnifying again, you can just press over here and click on the camera button. And here you are. And you can again continue to magnify some other information. Wasn't it easy? Subscribe for more iPhone tips in the future and do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.